In this video, I'm going to show you how to import HDRI in Blender. Currently, this scene has no light. If you head over to Render Properties, it will show you completely dark. Now to import an HDRI to your scene, you can click on Shading. From here, it is correctly select to Object Mode. Click on World Properties. So the first thing is select this one, select the background and then remove it. Simply press X and this will be removed. Now we'll need to add the environment texture. Press Shift A and then head over to texture and then select the environment texture. Now this box will show up. Now you'll need to connect this color from this to the world output to surface. Next, you need to import the HDRI. Simply open up the HDRI from your device. If you open up the HDRI, you can click on the rendered image. And after a few seconds, your scene will have an HDRI image.